Google Earth VR has always had a soft spot in my heart, and I'd even go as far as to say that it's one of my favorite VR experiences currently available. Might sound a bit odd, but let me explain. Google Earth, obviously, is a way to explore any place on Earth in 3D, and the result is really cool. Google Earth VR expands on that experience by plopping you right into the 3D world and letting you fly around, giving you the ability to see popular monuments and even your own house up close. Unfortunately, the team at Google that worked on it was seemingly dissolved since there's been no updates since 2018, and the game has never been ported to the Meta Quest or Pico headsets. I've always wanted to play Google Earth VR wirelessly and on the headset itself, but alas, it was never meant to be. However, there have been many attempts to recreate that 2016 experience for newer headsets, because at the end of the day, all of this 3D data is available in the Google Earth API. The one that I want to showcase today is the Vision Pro's Fly, which came out very recently. So first off, it's $14 on the App Store, which is pretty steep compared to other apps. I had to breathe in deeply before opening up my wallet, but once I did, we're in. It starts out with a mini tutorial teaching you the controls, but after that, you get to fly around the entire world. Here's Tokyo, Japan, for instance. The main issue that you can easily see is that the buildings and cars are very low quality, and that's mainly to do with the precision and quality of the satellite data that Google Earth uses. However, from higher up, you can see how beautiful the world is. My favorite way to waste time is by putting some music on and then just flying through towns around me. It's such a relaxing and soothing experience that I used to do a ton on Google Earth VR, but now I can do it wirelessly and without any controllers. To move around, you have to pinch your left hand and then move it around like a joystick. It's a bit annoying at times when it comes to speed and those huge circles that get in the way of your vision, but I love that the Vision Pro can recognize the gestures while my hand is resting normally on my lap. And in my opinion, it's better than clunky controllers. It's also crazy how much of the world you can see just by moving up into space, which I'm sure is because of the powerful M2 chip that's in this headset. I never felt the headset get hot, and there were minimal frame drops throughout my experience. It's genuinely awesome seeing your childhood home or even your current home right in front of you, all thanks to the power of virtual reality. I got to check out my old school, and I even got to see a side of my hometown that I wouldn't usually be able to see. The search in this app to be able to find these places is pretty annoying though, since there's no autocomplete and you have to move your head to click on each letter instead of using eye tracking. It felt like I was using a Gear VR or Oculus Go headset, which, don't get me started on those. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe for more flying over a huge crater just like this one. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.